Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine and getting this vlog started off. It's early, it's like, I don't know, it's almost 7 a.m. and I am already up, I'm awake, I'm out, I'm doing my thing. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today because for the past couple weeks, I've had something to do. Like I've had the same job to go to every day and now I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm just like, this is weird. I got free time. I think today I may just take it easy and just chill out because I have been working quite a bit. I did go home during that whole working thing. I did go home for like a week, but it was kind of crazy. Like I just came right back to San Francisco and went right back doing the same job. So now I'm not doing the same job anymore. And I'm gonna go make some tea, take some Earl Grey with some of this lemon lift right here, mix them two together, and then you'll have some really good blends. Got a little water over here. We're gonna add some water, we're gonna make some tea, we're gonna drink the tea, we're gonna make the tea disappear. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Okay, off to pick up a caviar delivery. This is the first one of the day, and homeboy Jermaine is not on a boosted board, so how am I gonna make the delivery? Well, luckily this delivery is going really close, so I'm not really worried about it. I can just like walk it. It's going like 2 blocks down the street, so let's go pick this one up and go drop this one off. Yo, yeah, something like that. Okay, just dropped off the first delivery. Like I said, it was only 1 block away, and I don't have the boosted board, so I'm going to pick up the next delivery, which is, it's not going that far away either. But I just hopped on the bus, and I'm gonna ride up the hill, pick up the next order, drop it off, and we'll see what happens after that. I don't know if I'm just gonna keep doing this with no wheels or anything, but it's kind of working out. Like it's working out so far. What's up with my eye here? There's something going on. Just dropped off a delivery over here in this area. This is the AT&T ballpark straight ahead, and let's get back to Market Street. Okay, so where did I leave off? So far I've already knocked out 2 deliveries today. And like I say, I wasn't really trying to just jam out deliveries. I was actually looking for more TaskRabbit gigs. A few TaskRabbit gigs popped up today, but one was like to deliver like boxes to San Carlos. I don't even know where San Carlos is, but I don't really want to deliver boxes outside the city today, especially if it's, I don't even know where San Carlos. I guess I could just look on a map and find out. Now, what do I got planned? I'm gonna go meet up with a subscriber that's been following me for a little bit, and they like email me, and there's like it's like a company in the city, and I'm gonna go meet some people and check everything out. And what else do I got going on today? I got no idea what's going on. Maybe I'll do some deliveries later. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll do something random and spontaneous. There's actually another subscriber I'm probably going to meet up with a little bit later today. So I'll have to see how that go. But for now, I'm going to go walk over. Well, this is not that. I think I actually meant to jump on one of these buses because I don't think I want to walk. So anyway, let's figure out what I'm going to do next. I tell you, if I had the boosted board right now, I definitely would not be getting on a train. I would just be boosting away. Or I probably would not have even left right now because I would still be where I am because now I'm leaving like 15 minutes early to get there, but if I had to boost it, I would probably leave 5 minutes early instead of 10 or 15. You know, I don't mean to be negative, but one thing I've noticed about San Francisco, there are always people sleeping around, like everywhere, even next to a train. Okay, what is going on? I am back here at WeWork. Got done meeting up with a subscriber. That went really well, and I didn't tell you guys about, I had a sort of a meeting slash like interview slash this business thing, and it went really well. This was right after I met up with the subscriber. Everything went really well, except like the offer that they were trying to give me, like I'm totally not interested. Like I'm so far from interested. So I'm just gonna sort of forget about it. They're gonna be calling me back. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on now. It is 4:45 and I'm having some, this is, I don't know what this is. This is some WeWork beer, but I think this is Fat Tire. It tastes just like Fat Tire. I think this is Fat Tire. It's really good, especially in a WeWork mug. Little food action going on at WeWork. I think I'm okay on everything. Oh, let's grab an orange. Yeah, let's make a couple of these disappear. Tangerines, whatever you call these things. Wow, it feels like I haven't really did much today, but I kind of haven't really did much today because it just feels right. I really haven't did much today. So I've been like busy like for the past couple weeks, like even going home, like I was still kind of busy like at home because like I'm, not doing the same things that I would normally do. So I'm busy, right? And then today was like the first day in like, I want to say a couple of weeks that I actually had a chill day. And of course I did go out and do some deliveries, but I only did 2 and that was like super chill. But for the most part, like I just kind of took it easy today, and I'm loving it because today was a really, really good day. Like I really did not need to like run around too much. Like I was able to do some stuff on the computer. You know how like sometimes you just want to sit down and you want to just chill and like watch a video and like not have like 3 other things to think about as you're watching that video. That's kind of what today was for me, and like I'm stoked because I really needed a day like today because like I say like. It's always been like something in my head, like I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking about that, I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking about that, I'm thinking about this, and I'm getting a TaskRabbit job right now, and they just canceled on me. Thinking of TaskRabbit, I was really crossing my fingers for a TaskRabbit gig today, but like, no TaskRabbit gig today. No, TaskRabbit ain't got me, but check this out, I got a TaskRabbit gig for tomorrow and one for Sunday, so I'm straight. But then with TaskRabbit, you never know what you're signing up for. It might be a good gig or it might be a gig from another planet and you're just asking yourself, why did I accept this job? Like, why did I accept this job? Or you're just like asking yourself, is the customer gonna give me a bad rating just because they don't like me? Is the customer gonna give me a bad rating just because they know that I don't wanna do this ridiculous job that they have me doing? Oh my gosh, you just never know what these customers, yo, what am I gonna do this weekend? I'm trying to figure out what to do this weekend. What I wanna know, what y'all got going on for Thanksgiving? Because I am probably gonna stay in San Francisco for Thanksgiving. And I want to sort of have a meetup, but like I don't exactly want to have a meetup where like I post it on the internet and it's like, yo, Jermaine's having a meetup, like show up here. I'm trying to figure out like how to have a meetup or how to have it like, not so widespread. So if you're in San Francisco or in the Bay Area and you're not doing anything on Thanksgiving, let me know in the comments below. Because I do want to do some sort of an event. Like I do want to have some sort of subscriber meetup, but then at the same time, like I don't want it to be like official, like on YouTube, like subscriber meetup. I want to sort of do a subscriber meetup for the people that are like here, like close by. And I don't know. Does any of this make any sense? Of course, it's gonna be a meetup for the people close by, but I don't want to just put it on blast. I kind of want to have a meetup or like a low key meetup, or like just like 3 or 4 people show up. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe this makes any sense. Maybe it doesn't. But like, I'm just thinking about what I'm gonna do for Thanksgiving because my roommate's going out of town, and I was gonna go to Santa Barbara, but like I really don't feel like traveling because I was just traveling last week, and then I just don't want to travel right now. I just don't. Like I just want to take a break. I just want to stay in the same spot. I want to just chill. I want to do some bait every other stuff. But I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna do if I stay here, because I'm not gonna be busy working, and that's the majority of what I do is I'm busy working. I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna do because that is a problem. Like, what am I gonna do? I'll probably just do some random stuff. I'll probably go skateboarding tomorrow because tomorrow will be 2 weeks that I haven't went skateboarding. So I'm thinking that I'll finally skateboard tomorrow. Yeah, like. I was gonna skateboard earlier this morning, but like I was grabbing the skateboard and I couldn't remember where I put the tools. I couldn't remember if I left the tools at WeWork or I didn't remember if I left the tools like in another backpack at home. And I didn't know if I just threw the tools in like the bottom of a suitcase or something. So I was like, look, let's just don't even worry about it. Let's have a chill day today. So today is a chill day. Hopefully tomorrow will be a chill day. I'm gonna be in a boosted tomorrow, but like hopefully it's chill. Yeah, there's good weather in the forecast, but next week, oh my gosh, that rain coming for us, yo. It's about to flood the Bay Area. Y'all get ready for that. There ain't gonna be no electric skateboarding around this giant. And I'm probably gonna buy some boots next week if it started raining, because I'm looking at the old forecast and yo, it's going to straight up be raining for like 5 days in a row. Which ain't the end of the world, but it's like the beginning of the end of the world. Like for real, when it's raining like 5 days in a row and you live in California and it's like December and it's like, it's raining like 5 days in a row. Like what, at least it's not freezing. At least it's not freezing outside. At least it ain't snowing. Like at least you know I'm walking. At least I'm not walking out my house and I'm like slipping on some ice and I'm falling halfway down the street, about to get hit by a bus trying to get up, and I just dropped my groceries on the ground. I mean, you guys get what I'm saying. Like what I'm saying is like things could be a whole lot worse than what they are, but they're not that bad. But I'm also complaining as if they're that bad. But guys, I'm just sitting here talking to y'all. I love talking to y'all. I love spitting to y'all. Not spitting, that don't sound right. I love rapping to y'all. I love just making it flow. I love making clips like this and like don't editing it, because I like that. Like right now I'm just getting more and more into like filming stuff and don't editing it, you know? Or no editing it. My English is like not so great sometimes. Sometimes it's a little slanged out, right? Anyway, guys, I love y'all. I'm gonna wrap this video up because I am gonna go figure out what I'm gonna do next. I'm probably gonna go like, I don't know, probably go do something naughty or something. Yeah. Or I'm probably not gonna do anything naughty because I'm in San Francisco and like, yeah. Okay, all right, I'm out. I love y'all. Peace out, yo.